Good morning everyone. In the last video we have seen how to use Google Gemini, add mentions of Gmail, Google Docs and other platforms like Google Slides. But today we are going to go inside the Google workspaces that we are using like Gmail and use the AI capability to write specific emails or to generate images in Google Slides and also to create documents using the feature of Google Workspace AI that they have introduced currently. So quickly I will share my screen and we will dive into Gmail, the first space. Suppose you have got an email that you want to reply. And let me just see this particular email. And there is an opportunity to when you want to just get this reply. This email has come from Dubai FinTech Hive. If you want to send a reply, you will get an option to write with an AI. It is a little slow right now. There are a lot of applications open, so if you can see this button here, it's a pencil button with an arrow. So you can click this, help me write. So you click help me write and ask me for more info or details. So I'll just say reply to the email above and confirm that you will attend. So this will understand the context that the person has written in the previous email, and you can see the details that is coming. It is taking the name. It is taking thank you for the email regarding I pleased to confirm that I'll be attending. On the specific, the details are coming from the top. You just give a context that just reply and accept that you are coming for this particular thing. Then what you can do is you can recreate. In this recreate option, you can there is an option to refine. There is an option to elaborate. If you want more details to add for this email, then you can ask it to elaborate. So this is it has taken some more information, and then once you are liking it, you can just do insert, and you will get this particular email. And this is one very good way to use this particular AI capability that is inbuilt in your Google Docs.